Hello there, fellow makers. So we're playing with Tinkercad, and we often want to put text on stuff. And Tinkercad has a text box there. There's just not very many choices. So what we have found is that you can do custom fonts, and someone made an instructables for how to do custom fonts. So I'm going to walk you through how to do custom fonts. What should we start with? Let's start with you got to find a font that you want. So find a free font somewhere, whatever you like. What sounds good? Oh, let's try this one. Free for personal use. Sounds great. Make sure you check, the usage there. Free for personal use. Download that. All right. Now the next step is we have to convert that. So I need to open that zip and get the OTF. Right? So there's the OTF from the zip, the text file, the font file, text file. I don't know what an OTF is. We'll find out. Then we have to get a converter, and we have to convert that to an SVG. Tinkercad's going to want this SVG to try and figure out what we want. So we go to Convertio, and they've got font converter, which I happen to be at, and choose your file. Where's my file? There's my OTF file. Okay, we open that, and we want to convert it to an SVG. Convert. Alrighty. Finished. Download that, and it's an SVG now. So yeah, the Weatherly Candela SVG. Now, where to go? We need to scroll down. Nope, we need to scroll down the menu to shape generators. And we want to select all of the shape generators. We want to see all of them. And we've got to go more shapes. And here are some other text options. Well, if you grab this custom font text, here's what happens. It says drag a file here, and it accepts an SVG under 400 kilobyte. So I'm going to choose my file, which was the Weatherly Candela SVG. And I bring that in there, and now it's going to think. And there we go. It converted it to that kind of font. So now I can, type whatever I want, and it's going to be in, get this out of the way, it's going to be in that font. Which is interesting that the T and the A kind of meshed over, right? I wonder why that happened. I don't know. Let's try this. There we go. Not all fonts are going to work. Just be aware of that. So, go find a free font that you like. Download it. Convert it to an SVG. And then bring that SVG in here. Now, that only works in this file that I have here. It doesn't bring it into your whole Tinkercad library. So if I ever want to do it again, I got to do it again, is what I'm seeing. Like if I delete that, oh my gosh, let's delete it. And let's grab this again. See, it's back to this basic thing, and it wants me to bring in what kind of font I want. Okay, so there's the process to create some new fonts in Tinkercad. Enjoy.